A.O.G.
YouTube, what's good, man? So I went ahead and purchased myself some of these Stylecraft Metal Edition Instinct Professional Vector Motor Shavers, man. It says it comes with initiative torque control, ITC. It says it's a professional vector, offers an unmatched 11,500 strokes per minute with initiative torque control. So basically what that means is for bulk removal with no snagging or pulling. Okay, so yeah, there's definitely some power to that going on. When I actually tested it on myself, man, I ain't feel anything pulling. Yeah, it definitely is a strong motor in this thing, which was something that I was looking for. I definitely needed something stronger. Even though I'm using the Barber, I'm still satisfied with the Barber, man, but I don't know. This one right here, man, I don't know. I think this is the one because it definitely got some power to it, and it definitely works with especially those hard hair stubbles, man, that don't want to come out. But it says it's up to 2.5 hours of cordless runtime with charging stand included. It comes with the protective. Well, it's got the charging stand. Comes with the protective cap. Basic instructions manual. I don't think too many people actually read that stuff, but it's good to have. You never know. Definitely like how they came in the box. Definitely I'm feeling the black and gold color. It's nice color to it. Yeah, man. I'm liking the color, man. I'm liking the blades on there. Says it's got lithium battery, delivers up to 2.5 hours of cordless runtime. Okay. Yeah, listen to that power, man. That thing is just humming away. But yeah, man, I definitely recommend, man. Yeah, you guys check this out, man. Take a good look at this shaver, man. Especially for those that are looking to shave themselves at their own home, and these things are definitely powerful, man. Basically feeling it, really. So yeah, man, I wanted to go ahead and show a couple little. Yeah, let me know. Okay, so I'm basically testing that on myself, right? Listen to that crunch. Yeah, that thing is definitely crunching away. It's like razor sharp, man. Yeah, I'm definitely glad I purchased these, man. Definitely something to add to my arsenal. So this client right here has got that type of hard stubble, man. Look at that thing just chopping away with it. Yeah, definitely removing them stubbles, man. I'm definitely feeling this shaver. Man, lately at the shop I have been using them more, but it's a new toy, man. So I'll see what. Yeah, I went ahead and did a little close up on there for y'all. Yeah, definitely got some power now.
A.O.G.
These are gonna be the faded culture shears. These things is sharp. cut like butter. And I went ahead and came also with the thinning shears. And these things are sick, man. Actually, man, you know what? I gotta clean them, man. They're a little bit. Try to get that little chrome polish look down a little bit. They definitely, yeah, there you go. They definitely hit, man. Some nice little thinning shears. Actually, I got some other ones too, man, that I work with. Other thinning shears that I'm working with, but definitely gotta have, man. I think I got like 3 sets of these thinning shears. Just got myself some of that level 3 cologne. This stuff smells good, man.
A.O.G.
And then got myself some of this texturizing sauce spray for that texturized look.